Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how to write an algorithm. So first we will see what is algorithm. It is a step-by-step procedure for solving any particular problem. For example, suppose I have a problem defined that is add two integer numbers 3 and 5. Now this is a problem given to me. I have to write an algorithm for this problem using step-by-step procedure. So step-by-step procedure is called as what? An algorithm to solve any problem. Now this is a problem given. Add two integer numbers 3 and 5. Now first I have to start writing the algorithm. So at the start I have to write the start. First step is always start. Okay, second is I have to read these two numbers. That is first number given is 3 and second number given is what? 5. So I have to read both the numbers. Okay, which numbers are given to me? I have to see those numbers first. So I know the first number given to me is 3 and second number given to me is 5. So now third step is to add these two numbers. So what I'll do? I'll do 3 plus 5. Add means I know the formula. It is 3 plus 5 and 3 plus 5 is 8. I'll get as an answer. Now I have to show the answer what I have got after solving the problem. Every problem should have a solution, right? Solution means result or answer of that problem. So now answer of this problem is 8 that I have to show. So my answer is 8. And last step is stop. Once I get the answer, I need to stop it because algorithm is over. I have written the step-by-step procedure to solve the problem. So first step is start and the last step is stop. And in between you have to write all the computational steps. First to read the numbers, then add those numbers and then the answer you have to show. So this is called as algorithm. Now this algorithm has 5 steps. Okay, so what is algorithm? It is a step-by-step procedure for solving any particular problem. So what is the problem given? Add two integer numbers 3 and 5. So it refers to the logic of the program. So before writing a program, you need to write the algorithm for any given problem. Problem will be given to you. You have to write the step-by-step procedure, that is algorithm first, because it will tell the logic of the program. So sequence of instruction that when executed in specified sequence gives desired result. Now this algorithm is nothing but a sequence of steps or sequence of instruction one by one, line by line. I have to follow this instruction and you will get the answer. When you write the program also, you give the instruction to the computer to do the things. Okay, so you will give statement by statement or instructions to the compiler. Okay, so compiler will compile and will give those statements for execution to the CPU. Step-by-step procedure is in the computer language, it is called a sequence of instruction, one by one. Okay, all these are called as instruction in programming. Start is one instruction, then reading this number is second instruction, then adding these two numbers 3 plus 5 equal to 8 is third instruction, then showing the answer is fourth instruction. So these are all instruction they are in sequence one by one. Okay, and they are executed also in the sequence. First numbers are read, that is 3 and 5, and then only they are added. After adding only the answer is shown. Okay, so they are in a sequence. You cannot break the sequence. So it is independent of any programming language. You can see over here, I have not specified any programming language as such. I have not told you what type of programming language. Okay, C language, C++, Java. I have not even taken the word of any programming language. So I've just, problem is given. I've written the step-by-step procedure to solve this problem. That is add two integers 3 and 5. I've added and I've got the answer as 8. So there is no programming language involved over here. So you can write the algorithm for any problem and it is independent of programming language. You did not know programming language for writing algorithm. So now we'll see the algorithm which I have written to add two numbers. That is first step, as I told you, it is a start step. Then you have to declare the variables in like number 1, number 2 and sum for storing the result. In number 1, first value will be stored. In number 2, second value will be stored. And sum variable is declared to store the result. So first I have to get the input from the user, or I have to write the values, that is number 1 and number 2, and then add those number 1 and number 2 and assign the result to variable sum. I already told in the previous videos, variable is nothing but a container which stores our data. Data can be anything. It can be a number, it can be a character, it can be a string, anything. So then after storing the answer inside this sum variable, you have to display the sum to show your answer. And then stop. So you have to give step by step procedure. You have to write like this: step 1 start, step 6 stop, and in between all the steps to solve your problem. Okay, now problem given is to add two numbers. Similarly, if you want to write the algorithm to subtract two numbers, same way you have to do it. Step 1 will be start. Step 2, you have to declare the variables. Since two numbers you need to subtract, so two variables you need to declare, num1 and num2. And third variable is declared to store the answer of subtraction of these two numbers. So first you have to read the values. Either you take the values from the user or give it in the program only directly. So you have to read the values for number 1 and number 2. So then add the values which are present inside this num1 and num2 variable, and you have to assign the result to variable sum. And then you have to display the sum. That is what is there inside this variable you have to display. And then you have to stop your algorithm. So this is a step-by-step procedure for subtracting two numbers. So this way we have to write the algorithm given any problem. So this was all about how to write an algorithm. Thank you.